Nightwish, one of the most celebrated symphonic metal bands in the world, has journeyed from humble beginnings in Finland to becoming a global phenomenon. Their story is a testament to the power of innovation, musical excellence, and the ability to adapt while staying true to their roots. From their inception in 1996 to their current status as metal icons, Nightwish has continually pushed the boundaries of symphonic metal, crafting a unique sound that blends heavy metal with orchestral and operatic elements.
The beginning. In Kite, Finland, Nightwish was founded in 1996 from Thomas Holofainen, a classically trained keyboardist with a passion for creating cinematic and atmospheric music. The band initially started fashions creating cinematic and atmospheric music. The band initially started as a small acoustic project, but Thomas quickly realized the potential of blending his orchestral influences with heavy metal together with guitarist Empu Björnen and vocalist Tarja Turunen. Nightwish and vocalist Tarja Turunen. Nightwish began crafting their music. Tarja operatic vocals combined with Thomas' intricate composition set them apart from other metal bands of the era. Their debut album, Angels Fall First, 1997, was a modest beginning showcasing the band's potential but still reflecting their experimental pace. While the album received mixed review, it laid the groundwork for what was to come, rising a prominence the Tarja Turunen era. With the release of Oceanborn 1998, Nightwish began to garner international attention. Songs like Sleeping Sun and Sacrament of Wilderness demonstrate their ability to craft hauntingly beautiful melodies combined with powerful metal riffs. Tarja's soprano vocals become the defining features of their sounds, and Thomas' lyrical themes of fantasy with audiences. The early 2000s mark a golden era for the band. Albums such as Wishmaster 2000 and Century Child 2002 solidified their place in the metal scene, but it was once 2004 that catapulted Nightwish to global stardom. Tracks like Nemo and Ghost Love Score become anthem, showcasing a perfect blend of cinematic orchestration and metal intensity. The band began touring extensively, gaining fans from Europe, the Americas, and Asia. However, tensions with the band began to surface, creating differences and personal conflicts led to the dramatic departure of Tarja Turunen in 2005. The decision shocked fans and marked the end of an era for Nightwish reinventions, and Annette also the departure of Tarja could have spelled the end of Nightwish, but instead it marked a new chapter. In 2007, the band introduced Swedish vocalist Annette Ottosson as their new front woman. Her more contemporary vocal styles was a departure from Tarja's operatic approach, allowing the band to experiment in different musical directions. Their first album with Annette, Dark Passion, Play 2007, was a massive success. Features hits like Amaranth and The Poet and the Pendulum. The album demonstrated that Nightwish could evolve without losing the essence. The themes become darker. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.